It was good, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be installing lowering springs on the red Accord. We're also gonna do a wheel alignment. What else?
And what you call it? The rotors and chain.
Yeah, everything.
Everything.
Time for maintenance. But
yeah,
the main part, we're definitely gonna drop this shit.
Yeah, bro.
We're not getting coilovers because hopefully he goes bags next season. So we're just doing lowering springs.
And also we live in New York City, bro.
Yeah, facts. We live in New York.
Yeah.
How's your experience with the bags? So the moral of the story, he doesn't take out his car. He doesn't take out his car anymore. So yeah, see you guys in the stand shop. All right, guys, we made it to the stand shop, but there's 2 cars in there, so we gotta wait. So I'll show you guys what the stock height looks like right now. In the front, so there's a solid 3 fingers, and in the back, yep, about 3. So the H&R springs probably drop it like 1.5 inch to 2. So we'll see how that goes. You guys want to go wait inside?
Yeah, let's go.
I like vlogging, it's pretty fun.
Don't put this part on the video.
He actually does watch it.
Put it in?
Yeah. Ah shit, we just parked.
Alright, it's coming.
Good? Yeah, you good.
Two seconds later.
The only R1 in the crew.
Oh, hell yeah.
Sheesh. This bike is so clean. And it shoots flames. It's in the car. We're gonna go get grub real quick. My boy Louis pulled up with his X5, so we're just all gonna go get food.
Fucking vibe.
8 Mile.
One eternity later.
Car's done. The springs are on. The brakes are done. In the front, before, if you guys remember, there's 4 fingers. Now it's a solid 2. And in the back, same thing. It's not 4 no more. I mean, it's not even 3. It's 2. Oh yeah, just gonna back it up right now. So much cleaner. It looks so much better. I'm telling you guys, just lower your car. Doesn't matter where you live, just lower it. You getting the watch too? Sheesh. Alright. Big baller out here. They also got this clean ass E36 M3. Fire. Only the best of the best out here. Stand shop.
Alright, I got true niggas around me all the time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your best life, you're reliving your same life, so you just gotta do it different every time. Yeah. Alright, I got true niggas around me all the time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your best life, you're reliving your same life, so you just gotta do it different every time. Yeah. How you say you hate me, tryna be just like me? Yeah. Pull up.
Right now, you're gonna see how the R1 sounds. My boy's gonna do a pull.
20 minutes later.
Up and all black, you know I keep it sparkly. Need them diamonds on my wrist to keep me shining. Got a bad chick that is worth it, put my time in. I need true niggas around me all the time, yeah. I got real niggas She just wanna fuck me for my check. Shorty got me fucked up, yeah, I'm vexed. Got me tangled up in her web. Cause how the fuck she end up in my bed? Rockin' the Louis, Gucci, and the Prada. She's a devil wearing Fendi monster. Booty so juicy, bounces through the fruity. And she still think we're bone like sea lobster. Crack it open, her pussy wet like the ocean. You realize your pocket's empty, and then I text your card is frozen. Shorty Yoshi, oh, we already know. Shorty Yoshi, oh, we already know. Shorty Yoshi, oh, we already know. Shorty Yoshi, yeah, Shorty Yoshi, do not lie.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Stay tuned for the next one. I think this car's done for the season, right?
Yeah, bro.
Next season, what, wrap?
Probably. Probably wide body. I don't know.
All out. Next season, all of our cars, you're gonna see it on the channel. It's gonna be fully built. This guy doesn't drive his car anymore. Can't even do mods in his car anymore. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.